So here's the situation. My mom's a professional chef. Like, she's been cooking for years and knows everything about food. And me, well, I can barely make toast without burning it. But here's the catch. My mom can't cook for me. She can only tell me how to do it while she's being totally blindfolded. So while she's sitting there giving me step-by-step instructions, I have to figure out how to turn her words into an actual meal. No pressure, right? And yeah, sometimes it gets a little messy. At the end, we'll compare whatever I managed to make to what she would have done. And let's just say the results are interesting. Welcome to Masala Lab, where my mom's expertise meets my total lack of experience. Let's see what happens. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the Masala Lab. And today, I'm here with my mom. What are we cooking today?
We are making, you love the pakoras.
I do love some pakoras.
So I always make for you. So let's try this one today.
Okay.
Are you ready to take this challenge?
I think so. Let's see how it turns out. Maybe I'll have some chutney with it. So stick around until we see what happens. First instructions.
Okay, for pakora, first you have to go to the pantry and put together the things.
Okay.
You have to bring the besan, gram flour.
Okay.
Did you find it?
Yeah.
And coriander seeds. Coriander seeds and...
Okay. No.
And
no, I have cumin seeds.
No, coriander seeds are also there.
Oh, okay.
And methi is the dry methi.
What's a methi?
Methi is the green leaves.
Bay leaves?
Not the bay leaves. It's the green leaves. It's the kasuri methi. Maybe it's written over there.
It says ground cumin, but it looks like leaves.
No, not the ground cumin.
Yeah, no, but it looks like leaves.
Okay, then take it.
Okay.
Okay, so now you have to get together. You have to get your cutting board.
Okay.
You have to find out the any pot where you have to put your ground flour in that pot.
A pot?
Yes.
Like a mixing bowl?
Mixing bowl, yes. Whatever it is. I don't know. You have to figure out.
Okay.
Okay, and some spices you need at the front,
Okay, which one?
cabinet is the chili
Chili?
powder, red chili powder.
Chilies? Okay.
And I believe is the salt.
Salt? Where do you keep salt?
And
wait!
Crushed chilies.
Hold on, where do you keep salt? Oh.
Salt.
Okay, I got salt.
Right side.
Salt.
And the crushed chili is also in the right side cabinet.
Crushed chilies? I have crushed red pepper.
Yes.
Crushed red pepper? Okay, yeah, I got it.
Okay, so now you have to start. Okay, there is the measuring cup. On the left side in the kitchen is the upper drawer. Get the measuring cup.
What size?
One cup is fine.
Is this 1 cup?
1 cup.
Okay.
So you have to
This
measured.
is not 1 cup. Oh. They're not labeled. This is 2 cups.
Oh, on the back side you can see it's supposed to be written.
Oh, it says 1 cup. Yeah, it says 1 cup. Yeah, okay, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Take 2 cups.
2 cups of what?
In the mixing bowl.
Of
gram flour.
Okay, gram flour. Oh my God. Okay, hold on.
Don't mess it.
1 cup. Hold on, 1 cup. This is not good. Hold on, I have to hold it better. Oh, this is a bad. Okay, 2 cups. Yeah, 2 cups.
Okay, then you have to add take the spoons or any spoon, take it.
Okay.
Or from the measuring spoon if you are not good in measuring.
All right, I have a spoon.
Okay. So the half teaspoon is the salt.
Half teaspoon of salt.
Half teaspoon is the red chili powder.
Hold on. Guys, that look like half to you? Maybe, I don't know. Chili powder, you mean?
Red chili powder.
Okay, chilies, Hold on, half. Guys, help me, guys. Tell me in the comments if this is half or not. That looks like half to me. Can't have enough chilies, right? That looks like half, that looks good. Yeah?
Put the crushed chilies also as well, the half chili.
Okay.
Add the half chili.
Okay.
And what you did?
Nothing. It's fine. That's a half. That's good. Okay, next.
Okay. Then do it. With the coriander seeds.
Yeah. How much?
Do it one.
1 cup or
one teaspoon.
Oh.
Always spices in the teaspoons.
Okay. Okay.
And then is the dried methi.
Yeah.
1 teaspoon.
All right. Okay.
Okay, now you have to bring the onion.
Onions?
Onions in the pantry. Find out.
Okay. How many?
One.
Red, orange.
One medium size.
Red or orange?
No, it's the white, not the red one. It's the white, orange, whatever you are saying.
This is garlic. This is orange. Okay.
Not the red one, yes.
It's orange. Okay.
And get your, cutting board.
Yeah.
Okay, before going to the cutting board, add the water. Okay, you have to find out the mixture.
Mixture of what?
In the drawer.
What mixture? What drawer?
आपको फेंटना है ना उसमें. You have to.
You just want a spoon?
Not the spoon. I have the mixture. You have to find out in the first drawer.
What first drawer?
First drawer.
What first drawer?
Right side of the oven. Top first drawer, not the cabinet. First drawer. You will find out the mixture.
You just mean like a spatula or something?
Is in the round shape. We mix it, or you can use whatever is.
I don't know. Okay. Yeah. All right. You want a spoon or something?
Whatever is.
Yeah.
You have to put some water in your ground flour powder.
How much water?
This is. You have to make a paste. So just
How
start
much
with
water?
1 cup. Just add the 1 cup and do it.
1 cup. All right, guys. Here we go. 1 cup of water.
And see how it's thick.
I don't know. It's thick. Yeah, it's thick.
You need more water. Do it more moisture. We need some,
It's thick.
some paste.
Sticky.
Just like puri paste.
I don't know what a puri paste is. All right, here we go. We're doing a half more. Oh, I think that's too much water. I think that's too much water.
Just mix it.
No, I think that's too much water. Too much water. Oh no. Yeah, that's too much water. A little extra half was too much, but yeah, it's pasty.
It's paste, okay.
It's paste.
Okay, let it rest it on the side.
It's pasty, okay? It's resting.
Okay. Now you have to start your other ingredients.
Okay.
Take some onion. 1 onion, medium size onion.
Yeah.
Peel it and cut it.
How do I peel an onion?
You have to take some knife.
Okay.
Small knife, big knife. You should everything in front of you.
All right, we'll go with baby blue. All right, what do I do with the onion?
Peel it. On the top, on the end, cut it off. Then peel that onion. Then you have to
cut what off?
इसका जो राउंड ऊपर टॉप पे बना हुआ है इसको कट कर दो, जो उसकी रूट्स हैं, और एंड भी कट होता है इसका.
Yeah, I cut that. I did it.
Okay. Then you have to peel it.
I don't know how to peel an onion. Does water help?
No.
Water doesn't help peel an onion?
Just make a little bit cut and then peel it.
I did make the cut, but it's not peeling.
I'm sure then you have to use your hand if you are unable to do it with the knife.
No.
Use your hand.
I'm trying to peel this onion. All right. Hold on. Take it. All right, this is gonna take me a little bit. My eyes.
Yes, it's happened. I have the blindfold. I'm lucky.
I gotta do it under cold water.
Okay.
I gotta do it under cold water. Hold on, I'm almost done peeling the onion. Okay, onion is peeled.
Okay, then cut it and chop it.
Like what? Chop it like how?
You can do it half. Cut the half onion, then slice it.
Slice it how? Long way?
I don't know.
Long onions?
Yeah, just cut it and then put on that board and cut it. Is just like this slice.
My eyes.
Yes, it's happened. Onions are not easy.
Oh, I need sunglasses.
You know what you do? Are you using the big knife? Use the big knife for those slices.
I can't see anymore because my eyes are crying. I don't know about these. These onions are suspect.
Okay. Put into that your paste, gram flour paste.
Well, my eyes. I can't see anything.
Oh, I forgot to tell you that bring one potato, small potato.
I can't see anything.
From
Hold
the
on,
pantry. We will make the potato pakora.
My eyes are crying right now. Okay, hold on. I'm putting onions in here. This one is horrendous. We're gonna skip that one. The onions that can go in here are going in here.
Then
Hold on, my eyes are crying. I need a napkin. Because my hands now have onion in them. Oh. Okay. All right, we're back. All right.
I need one green chili.
No, you need potato.
Yeah, potatoes as well. First get the green chili.
What is a green chili?
Is the jalapeno.
Where's the okay, I see it. Yeah.
Jalapeno.
Oh yeah.
Just do it small and be careful. This is hot. Be careful with your hands.
Oh my God.
Half is done. Half is enough. Half is done. Okay, then you have to get some coriander leaves. Is the green, coriander leaves. Cilantro.
My eyes are burning. I can't see. What's the coriander?
Cilantro.
Yeah.
Cilantro.
Yeah.
Take 2-3 branches. Wash them. And cut it in small pieces. Chop it. And put in your paste.
Okay, hold on.
Okay. And
There's
then
no potatoes.
go to the pantry.
Yeah.
There is the potato in that cart.
Yeah.
Just get one potato, is the yellow one, not the red one.
Okay. It's a brown potato.
Yeah, brown potato.
Yeah.
I don't know what size did you bring.
I don't know.
Smaller. And then peel it.
Peel?
I have the potato peeler.
Where?
The same where is the knives.
Potato peeler. No, these are so bad. Why do you have this? This is gonna take me forever. Oh, actually, this is actually very sharp. Okay.
How's everything going now? This challenge?
My eyes hurt. That's the only problem. My eyes hurt. I can't see. I'm crying.
I want to see what is going on in my kitchen.
It's not good. It's not good.
No. Don't tell.
It's
Don't tell.
not good. What is happening to me right now? Okay. I think we're okay.
Okay, so when potato is done,
Yeah.
mostly I take a separate bowl with the water and just slice the potatoes and put inside and put in that water. So one by one I take it, dip in the paste and I fry.
Okay, I'll get a separate bowl of water.
Bowl. Yes. Add the water
Okay.
and you have to make the slices. Potato in the slices with your knife and put
Okay.
in that water.
Okay.
Oh my gosh!
I have a surprise for you.
Are you chopping beef or potatoes?
Potatoes.
Unbelievable. It sounds it's so weird.
Cause I'm doing something weird. Cause I'm doing something very weird.
Okay, so are you ready?
No. Ow, that hurt. I'm not ready. I'm not.
How many slices did you?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes, that's enough.
Okay. It's not the whole potato. Oh my god. This is not working out like I want. Okay, I'm done.
Okay.
Oh, put them in the water.
Yeah, put in the water. So you made your mixture,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And you made that, what are you making is the potato pakora
Yeah.
or aloo ka pakora. So let's start the frying now.
Frying. Okay.
So you have to get the deep fry pan.
Deep fryer pan, okay.
You have to find out, I think, in the first drawer, in the bottom
First
one.
drawer.
And yeah, in the first cabinet next to the.
Oh. Yeah.
Okay. So you have to put this one. No, do not turn on. First, you have to be put the oil.
How much? Oh, shoot. How
At
much?
least half of this one.
Oh, wow.
And then turn it on and let the warm.
More.
And be careful.
Yeah. Gotta wash my hands.
Is a oil and is
I gotta wash my hands. Hold on.
hot oil is very dangerous.
Wash my
You
hands.
have to be very careful.
I'm gonna wash my hands.
So are you struggling?
No. We'll
Okay.
see.
Let's see the results.
It's alright. It's okay. Alright, turn on the stove. Okay.
And is the medium
Yeah. yeah.
flame is good, and
Yeah.
let it warm.
Okay.
And you have to go back to your mixture and do it again
Okay.
Do it mix again, everything.
Okay. All right. We're ready. All right. Yeah, we're here.
Okay, beta, find out the spatula.
Spatula, yeah.
Is the आपको ज़रा सा बड़ा लेना है जिसमें पकोड़ा आ जाए, ठीक है? राउंड शेप में होना चाहिए ताकि आप पकोड़ा उसमें कर लें.
Round shaped spatula?
Not the spatula, I mean to say.
Oh yeah, I got it. Yeah, round shaped spatula, got it.
Whatever is, yes.
I got it. Yeah.
अच्छा जी, अब आपने जो वो मिक्सचर तैयार किया हुआ है.
Yes.
You have to be on your right side. You know, उसको करीब ले जाओ अपने मिक्सचर को और पोटैटोज जो उनसे आपने उसमें डाले हुए हैं वाटर में.
Yeah.
वो भी अपने पास रखो.
Yeah, done.
और वो आलू का जो है पोटैटो जो है उसमें डाल के डिप करके उसमें डालो.
Okay.
First you have to check your oil is good or not.
Yeah, it's very good. It's very hot.
तो उसमें एक थोड़ा सा जो अपना वो है एक प्याज ओनियन जो उसमें है ना डिप हुआ वो डाल के देखो वो ऊपर आ गया है.
What do you mean ऊपर आ गया?
उसमें ऑयल में ऊपर आना चाहिए. should be up whenever you put it. So वो फ्राई हो जाती है चीज़. पता चल जाता है कि आपका टेम्परेचर ठीक है.
Yeah, it's up.
Okay. अच्छा एक प्लेट और तैयार करनी है जिसमें तैयार करके डालने हैं ये.
Okay.
Get one plate ready. Okay. So now you have to be. This is up to you. You have to make with your hand or any spoon.
Okay. What do I do? Just tell me what
अच्छा वो आपने यूं करके डालने कुछ प्याज के बनाने हैं कुछ आलू डिप करके डालने हैं potatoes. Dip some potatoes. Dip some onion pakoras. You have to make it. At least 5-6 make it.
Okay.
Sound is good.
I don't know.
Don't burn it. Don't burn it. आपने उसको हिलाना है उसको थोड़ा थोड़ा उससे अपने
That's the test one.
Okay. अगर आपको लगता है कि हीट ज़्यादा है बर्न हो रहा है तो हीट को कम कर दो.
This is not going too good. This is not going too good.
Then heat थोड़ी सी लो करो.
Heat is low. The onion ones are not doing good.
My curiosity is that I have to take out this blindfold and see what is going on.
It's not good. It's not good. That's what's going on.
Oh my gosh, what you are making? It was so simple.
The onions are
be careful with the heat and with the oil.
It hit my nose.
Don't get the oil burn.
It's fine.
It's very dangerous.
Oh my god.
Oil burn सबसे मुश्किल वो होता है इसको हैंडल करना सीखो इस कढ़ाई को.
Okay. I'm doing it.
And you have to stay little far with the fire and is heating oil. These are very dangerous things if you are not skilled.
I'm not scared. It's just my hands are sticky and the onions are not good.
Make 4, 5, 6 and that's it. We have to see the result.
It's not good. Hold on. I'm doing it. Oh no, I put it in there. All right. Oh, almost done. I can't wait. You can smell it.
I can smell and it's a lot of, frying noises, sounds.
It doesn't smell bad.
No, I'm saying ingredients are great, but how you deal and how you handle with the ingredients.
It's bad.
Oh my god.
It's bad. It's fine. Can you eat it? Yes, you can eat it. Does it look like a pakora? Yes, it looks like a weird pakora. Okay?
Did you make the potato one?
Yeah, I made potato one. The potato one is fine. It's the onion one that's weird. I think the onion is too thick. I think the onion is the problem.
And my hands are too sticky, so it doesn't go in the fryer the way I want it to go. But I'm doing really good. I'm doing really, really good. Hold on. Okay. I think this is the last ones I'm gonna fry, and that's it. These are the last ones I'm frying.
No, I think 5, 6 is fine.
Yeah, I'm doing a few. This is the last ones.
Okay.
Ow. I think I'm gonna take my hand out of the bowl. I'm gonna wash my hand.
Turn off the...
No, it's not ready. The last ones are not good.
Okay.
It's still... Oh no. It's not bad. I don't know why it's taking so long in this last one. They're not cooked yet.
If you low very heat, तो
No, I
भी
need
ये सही
high
नहीं
heat.
बनता. अगर आप बहुत लो कर दो ना हीट,
Yeah.
फिर भी नहीं सही बनता. आपको मीडियम हीट में बनाने होते हैं.
Yeah.
हाई में ये बर्न हो जाते हैं और लो में ये बहुत ऑयल कंसीव कर लेते हैं.
It's not the worst thing in the world, you know. Okay, it's not the most delicious thing either. Yeah, these are not done yet. I don't know. I'll give it a little bit.
How much I have to wait? Finish it. Just finish it. I think this is too long for this frying time.
It doesn't look like it's cooked.
It goes like this way. You know, whenever you fry.
Oh my god. It's not.
Your
It looks so
temperature is
different.
good. Your temperature is
Yeah, but
oil temperature is good. So it
no,
takes
the
not
first
that much
ones
time.
look. The first one looks really good, and the last ones don't look that good. They look like they're not cooked. I don't know. Okay.
Can I check?
Okay, we're gonna do a reveal. We're going to do a reveal.
I have to come over there?
No. You're gonna take off your blindfold. Okay, we're gonna do a reveal. Okay, take off your blindfold.
Did you bring this
Yeah,
one?
take off your blindfold.
Oh, it's not bad. It's good. It's good. I was thinking it's burned or something.
No, see, it's not ready in the end.
Yeah, it's not bad. It look like pakora shape. And the
Eat it.
and this is
Potato.
potato.
Eat it.
Salt is
Not
very
enough
light.
salt. Yeah, not enough salt.
So always whenever you make the paste,
Yeah.
you have to be checked the salt,
Yeah.
spices, make sure, but is presentable for that girl who never did one single thing in her life, no cooking.
Now look at how I cut the potato, like with this.
Oh,
I cut the potato with this.
this one, oh. Yeah, it's a little bit mess over here too, but I'm saying it's a good effort. I will still give you 7 out of 10. It's not bad.
7 out of 10, I'll take it.
Okay, let's make pakora. And now I will show you. मैं तुम्हें बताती हूँ कैसे कैसे चीज़ें बनानी. तो next time जो ये थोड़े से कच्चे रह गए हैं, थोड़े से सही नहीं बने, potatoes are too big, फिर भी बुरे नहीं थे, लेकिन चलो मैं अब तुम्हें बताती हूँ कि कैसे बनाने हैं. तो let's start. Okay, let's try. So yummy, crispy, salt, spices, everything is so subtle. It's so good. Try, Hiba, my pakoda. You always, you know that.
Yeah, this is delicious. And you can tell the difference between mine and hers. I think mine didn't have too much flavor in it. And it's not cooked all the way, I think. That was one of the differences
not crispy.
I had. Yeah, so definitely this is the better one, of course. Now, if you want to let me know in the comments what you want me to try next week, leave it in the comments below, like the video, and as always, subscribe. And see you on the next one.
Okay, see you guys.